Welcome to our session on Introduction to Organizational Behaviour. In this video, we will take you through the foundational concepts of organizational behaviour, including its definition, nature, and scope. We will also explore the landmark Hawthorne Studies, their implications, and insights, along with the disciplines contributing to the field of OB. This session is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of how human behavior impacts organizational performance and why OB is an essential tool for effective management. Let's get started. The Hawthorne Studies were conducted to analyze worker productivity in different environmental and social settings. They revealed that human factors such as social interactions, emotions, and attitudes play a crucial role in workplace behavior. These findings shifted the focus from purely technical management approaches to incorporating human relations strategies. The studies are significant because they established the idea that employee satisfaction and motivation depend on more than just monetary rewards. The implications of the Hawthorne Studies emphasized the need to address social factors, leadership styles, and effective communication in the workplace. They revealed that employees form groups and their behavior is shaped by these associations, leading to group norms and informal rules. The studies also provided insights into the importance of employee satisfaction and motivation for productivity. Managers must focus not only on task execution but also on human relations to create a positive work environment. Organizational behavior, OB, focuses on understanding and improving workplace interactions. It combines knowledge from various disciplines to analyze behavior patterns and develop strategies for effective management. OB's nature emphasizes studying individuals, groups, and organizational systems to improve productivity, satisfaction, and performance. It is not just a theoretical field but an applied science that provides practical tools for managers to address workplace challenges effectively. The scope of OB is broad, covering individuals, groups, and organizations. It studies factors like personality and attitudes at the individual level, group dynamics, and leadership at the group level, and structure and culture at the organizational level. Its applications range from improving communication and teamwork to fostering innovation and managing diversity. Managers use OB principles to create a productive and inclusive work environment, balancing efficiency with employee satisfaction. Organizational behavior is a multidisciplinary field, integrating insights from psychology, sociology, anthropology, political science, and economics. Psychology contributes to understanding individual motivation and attitudes, while sociology explains group behavior and social norms. Anthropology studies organizational culture, and political science examines power dynamics. Economics provides insights into decision-making and resource management. Together, these disciplines help managers create effective teams, resolve conflicts, and foster inclusive work environments. The applications of OB are vast and practical. It encourages creativity and innovation to help organizations stay competitive. By focusing on employer-employee relationships, OB fosters a positive work culture and reduces conflicts. Policies promoting work-life balance enhance job satisfaction, and workforce diversity initiatives make organizations more inclusive. Managers also use OB principles to develop leadership skills, improve communication, and boost team performance, creating a dynamic and successful workplace. Organizational behavior is vital for managers as it equips them with tools to understand, predict, and influence employee behavior. It provides insights into conflict resolution, motivation, and communication, enabling managers to create productive and harmonious work environments. Effective leadership, teamwork, and decision-making are fostered through OB principles, ensuring organizations meet their goals efficiently. Managers can also use OB concepts to handle workplace diversity, reduce stress, and implement flexible work policies. Organizational behavior is critical for managers to navigate complex workplace dynamics. It helps them develop leadership qualities, design motivational systems, and manage change effectively. Managers can use OB principles to improve communication, reduce stress, and resolve conflicts, ensuring a productive and harmonious work environment. OB also emphasizes ethical practices, workforce diversity, and adaptability, making it an essential tool for achieving organizational success in today's competitive world. Thank you for watching our video on Introduction to Organizational Behaviour. We hope this session provided you with valuable insights into the importance of understanding human behavior in organizations and how it contributes to effective management practices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and classmates. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more educational content on organizational behavior and related topics. See you in the next video.